Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create documents on your Apple Vision Pro. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So in this video, we are just going to use the Pages application of the iPads on iOS. So basically, you will need just to have your Pages that will be installed on your Apple Vision Pro. So basically, you need just to go to the App Store of your Apple Vision Pro. You click on the App Store, and then you will search for Pages. And of course, it has this icon, and it is from the Apple company, so you can have the same application. And basically, after you install and get in this application, you will be able to start using the Pages application on your Vision Pro, and you will be able to have this use the Pages to create simple word processing documents and the documents with graphics and interesting font treatments. So basically, you can have more usage or some guides of the pages on the Apple official website. And basically, you can start like by choosing templates like you doing with either PowerPoint, Word, or any other document processing software. So basically, after that, you will be able to start like adding documents means or media such as illustration or vectors, pictures, also charts. You can add either table or anything that you would like. Also, you can customize every detail of your documents, such as the font style or the font size, and you can start publishing these pages and you can add them as a book. So basically, this is how you can create documents with your Vision Pro. Thank you for watching and see you next time.